Most people get this wrong when comparing ServiceTitan and Simpro. They assume these platforms are direct copies of each other because both manage field service businesses. But here's the truth, no one tells you. The best choice depends less on features and more on the type of company you run. In this video, you'll learn the biggest differences between ServiceTitan and Simpro in 2026, who each platform is built for, and which one is likely the better fit for your business. Let's get straight to the answer. Both ServiceTitan and Simpro are powerful field service management platforms. They help businesses handle scheduling, dispatching, customer management, invoicing, reporting, and technician workflows. However, they focus on slightly different audiences. ServiceTitan is widely known in residential home services. HVAC, plumbing, electrical, and other service businesses often choose it because of its strong customer management, sales tools, reporting capabilities, and operational automation. Simpro, on the other hand, is often popular among businesses handling larger projects, asset management, maintenance contracts, and more complex operational workflows. For example, imagine John owns an HVAC company with 25 technicians focused on residential service calls. ServiceTitan's customer experience tools and sales-focused features may align well with his goals. But here's the problem. Not every field service company operates the same way. Now here's where it gets interesting. Let's say Alex runs a commercial electrical contracting business that manages ongoing projects, maintenance agreements, and multiple job sites. In that scenario, Simpro's project-oriented approach may offer advantages. This is where most people fail. They compare software based only on feature lists. In reality, software success often depends on how well the platform matches your daily operations. Let's talk about usability. Many businesses find ServiceTitan easier to adopt if they operate in residential home services. Its workflows are designed around customer appointments, technician performance, and service-driven revenue generation. Simpro often shines when businesses need detailed project tracking and more complex operational management. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to decide between them. Ask yourself one question. Is your business primarily focused on residential service calls and customer management? If yes, ServiceTitan may be the stronger choice. Or is your business heavily focused on projects, maintenance contracts, assets, and complex workflows? If that's the case, Simpro may deserve serious consideration. One more important point. Both platforms typically represent significant investments. That's why scheduling demo and evaluating your team's actual workflow is often more valuable than simply comparing marketing materials. So what's the final verdict? Choose ServiceTitan if you're a residential service business looking for strong operational automation, customer management, and growth-focused tools. Choose Simpro if your company handles larger projects, complex operations, and requires deeper project management capabilities. Hopefully this comparison helped make your decision easier. If it did, hit the like button, subscribe for more software comparisons, and let me know in the comments which platform you're considering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.